Picking the wrong tonnage wastes fuel or kills the machine. Today, let's match your excavator in 3 easy steps. 3 steps to pick your machine like a pro. Step 1. Match the site. Choose 0.8 to 2.5 ton minis for gardening. For municipal earthwork, the 21-ton LT210 is the gold standard. Step 2. Compare parameters. A mini bucket is just 0.02 cubic meter, while the LT380 mining beast handles 1.9 cubic meter. The wrong capacity kills productivity. Step 3. Calculate ROI. With global engines and double pump technology, low fuel plus high output equals real profit. That's how you maximize your equipment investment with ease. But every site is different, and if you're not 100% sure which tonnage fits your specific job, we're here to help. Direct message us, and we'll help you get the right tonnage.